drywall corners cracking because your house is settling? That's super common, but you can actually fix it so it doesn't keep driving you nuts. Okay, so first off, when you spot those cracks, don't just slap regular drywall mud on and call it a day. You want to grab some flexible joint compound because it moves a bit with the house instead of cracking again. Then, instead of paper tape, use fiberglass mesh tape over the crack, since it's way stronger and helps hold everything together. Make sure you clean out any loose bits around the crack before you start. Dust and crumbling drywall will just mess up the hold. Apply the fiberglass tape right over the crack, then cover it with a thin layer of that flexible compound. Let it dry completely, sand it smooth, and then do a couple more thin coats to blend it in nicely. Painting over it after will make it look like the crack was never even there. And hey, keep an eye on your house for any new cracks popping up. Sometimes settling takes a while, but staying on top of it helps avoid bigger headaches later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with drywall cracks from settling is ignoring the issue and just patching it with regular joint compound and paper tape, which just ends up cracking again fast. Fix that by switching to fiberglass tape and flexible compound for better durability. Another common problem is not prepping the cracked area properly, like leaving dust or loose drywall behind, so the patch doesn't stick well. Always clean and prep before patching. Lastly, people rush the drying process or slap on thick layers of mud, which leads to uneven surfaces and cracking. Applying thin coats and letting each one dry fully makes a huge difference in how smooth and long-lasting the repair looks. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, it's a solid way for contractors to connect with people who need their skills without all the hassle of hunting down clients themselves.